Hi, I'm Alex James. I'm the program director for the UltraFast combo. So we came up with the all-in-one UltraFast combo that allows you to wash and dry in a single unit. That way you don't have to load transfer, and it saves you time because now you're not hovering over and waiting for a wash and dry cycle. From here up is our entire heat pump dry system. From here down is what I would say is our current production UltraFast front load washer. On our door glass here, it's a little concaved and strategically tilted about 45 degrees so that the air can actually spread out through the entire load, therefore getting everything drier faster. So as soon as you get into that final spin speed that people are typically used to, we actually start our heat pump dry system. And through that process, we actually can start the drying a little sooner. Compared to our standard vented dryers today that we're all used to, this saves 50% more energy. The heat pump technology and the high-speed airflow, we don't require any venting like the standard vented dryers that you're used to in your houses today. And because of that, you now can put this in numerous places around the house. And because it's so energy efficient, it's also 120 volts. So now you don't need to run a unique 240 volt like your vented dryers today. And because this is an entirely sealed system, meaning the wash system and the airflow system doesn't have any gaps, we're in a really amazing position where we're not actually starving or costing the consumer money on their HVAC system. When you connect it to the Smart HQ app on your phone, you have the flexibility of basically all the options on here, whether it's remotely starting, delaying the start of a cycle, checking on something, going, oh, you know what, I forgot to add that feature. And you can get into the Smart HQ app and actually add it on there. You now get notifications on the unit as well as your phone on, hey, it's time to clean your filter. And they can use the notifications to let them know when their laundry is done. By the time you get there and the dry cycle ends, you've got warm, fresh sheets for you.